full face of my favorite makeup at 55 years old. First, I'm going to start off with my cushion foundation from Skintific. Flawless. The Morph Sculpting Pencil. It is perfect to get everywhere you want. Look how easy that blends. Fui blush. It's a K-Beauty blush. It's in the color Deer. It is my absolute favorite blush color. The formula is so pretty and blurring on my skin. And we're going to the farmer's market today, so I want to have really nice, happy makeup. And this orange just makes me happy. This is a brightening lip tint, and it's from Skintific as well. I have really liked a lot of their products. It blurs my lips. It makes them all one color. It's hydrating. These come in different colors, but I bought 3 of them. Probably one of the biggest surprises to me was this Tarte concealer stick. One, it is so smooth, so hydrating, and I love how easy it is to apply. It doesn't get messy. I haven't worn Tarte for so long, and then this came out, and I'm loving it. And I even like the brush. After concealer, I just go back in with that brush, with that cream blush, and I just tap the cheeks again. Favorite setting spray, it's the Cloud Set by Kosas. The Benefit brow pencils are my favorite. This one is precisely my brow. It's got a very small tip. Look at that natural looking brow, but it looks lifted, more full. I've been using the L'Oreal 24-hour lamination. I really like the formula. It's not sticky, it dries down, and then it's not flaky either, but it really holds those eyebrows. Now we're going to set all our creams because we will be out, and I'm using the Basma to go with my Fui blush. That's kind of orange. I'm going with the House Labs. I love this formula, and it makes a really pretty eyeshadow as well. This one is in Fire Moon. Sephora waterproof eyeliners are amazing. They really are waterproof. Stay on all day. Really great colors. While it's still wet, you want to just pull out the side for a little wing. Super easy. I take a more shimmer color and I just put like a dot underneath my eyes and smudge it out. You don't want this too heavy under the eyes. These are the colorful shimmers from ULTA. It's the ULTA brand, but I'm telling you, this just adds so much color. It does have a little fallout, but if you put it on your fingers, put it on your hands, and then apply it, you don't have to worry about it so much. Favorite mascara is Prime Lash, SPF 50. All my favorites. Find this complete look on Shop My Shelf.